In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can simply blend two images in Affinity. So I'm going to use this two image right here. First things first, you want to insert them onto your project. So I'll just align them the way I want to. So I want my images to be like this right here. And I want this person to blend at this part of the image. So it will be something like this. Unfortunately, I'm having some resolution issues because the image that I got from the internet is not quite high resolution, but this will do since this is only a tutorial. Right after aligning your tool the way you want to, you can simply use the gradient tool option. But before we do that, you then want to click on layers, click on the image that you want to blend, and then you want to click on the mask layer. You want to press on the arrow right here to expand the properties of this said image, and then you want to select our mask. After selecting the mask, once again, select the gradient tool. It's going to be this one right here. And right after that, you can just click and drag it over our mask. So from there, we have managed to successfully blend two images together with very simple steps. Now this will be much better if we have a higher resolution photo, but unfortunately, I got this photo right here. But that is how you can do this easily. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.